Talenti's so hard to open? I just want ice cream. Oh my God. This is gonna give me an aneurysm. Oh! That was the fastest I ever opened up one of these. Haha.